I wanted this video to be like a little chit chat moment. So I have my wine. It's dark out. Obviously it's night because I can't drink wine during the day. So I'm recording right now in the night. I have my little ring light on, and I'm actually recording on my phone because I actually forgot to charge my camera battery. So if this is not good quality, I definitely apologize, but you guys are just gonna have to bear with it. Welcome back to another video, guys. For those who are new, I'm Brittney and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to go over basically the basic rules of fashion, just because I found like a new obsession of learning everything and just watching everything that has to do with fashion, just because I want to learn so much, and I feel like I know nothing. So I found these basic rules that I want to go over with you guys and just see if that's some things that you guys follow or you guys just don't at all, just because obviously I read these and I'm like, some of these things I agree with and some I'm just like, I don't know about that one. But I want to share it with you guys. And if you are learning about fashion like myself, then this is definitely the place to be at, just because I feel like we could help each other out. But I need to cheers, because for those that are new, I want to cheers in every single video this year. You know, just give myself and give us that positive juju. So for today's little cheers, I want to cheers. What do I want to cheers to? Getting 250 subscribers by the end of this month. I'm going to be speaking it into existence right now. We are almost there. We're at 241, I believe. And I think we have like 2 more weeks left, I think. I don't know. Don't hold me against that. Let me see. 1 second. Yeah, we have like a week and a half left. And I feel like it's definitely... we could definitely accomplish it. So if you haven't subscribed yet or like this video, definitely do that so that we can grow this family. But cheers to that. I'm actually drinking, I'm gonna butcher the name, but it's 𝙬𝚃𝚾. It's something French, I don't know, but I looked it up and it actually turned out to be an extra dry wine, which I don't handle. So I actually found this ice wine. Also, for those that don't know, ice wine is very, very sweet, and I mix the two, and it actually doesn't taste that bad right now. So that's what I'm drinking today. I wanted to make this like a little chit chat moment, but anyways, let's just get into the video. So the first basic rule of fashion that I found was, when you find your look, stick with it. And I feel like I somewhat agree to this. I agree to this just because if you're new to fashion and you find what you love, then definitely stick with it and grow it. It can be very overwhelming at times just because there's so many different styles out there. Trends are always changing, and fashion is just basically expressing yourself. So that is something to definitely think about. But then also, on the other hand, I'm not really on that page, just because, again, fashion's always changing and you're always learning new things, that your look will definitely change over time. But I feel like that's just a part of growing and learning within the fashion industry. So that it was rule number 1 that I'm like kind of iffy about, but again, let me know what y'all think. 2 is try men's clothing. And I like 110% agree with that, just because men's fashion, and I did not know I could shop in the men's section until like a year ago. Don't ask me why, but men's fashion, especially if you like the edgy or you like the streetwear style, is definitely the place to shop, just because I feel like they have so much better looking clothing for those type of styles. Definitely depends on the store that you shop at, but yeah, if you like those type of styles, I guess it depends on what type of style you have. But I feel like men's clothing can work with any type of style. You just have to know what you want to look and shop for. So I 110% agree in shop men's clothing. Oh, it was a game changer once I did, let me tell ya. 3 is dress your body shape, not the trend. And I don't know if I agree with this one. Like, I don't agree with this one just because it's whatever you like, wear it, you know? It all depends on what you like and what you love and how confident and what you don't care what other people think about you type of thing, like mindset. If you don't care, then shoot, wear it, you know? That's just who you are and you're expressing yourself. But for myself, I'm not necessarily saying not the trend, but for myself, I know I do like to dress my body shape just because when I wear like a normal size dress, say, it needs to have like some tightness to it just to show off my body, just because I don't like the way regular dresses look on me, because I feel like I just look like I'm in a brown paper bag dress, if you know what I mean. So I definitely like more, not saying like it has to fit my body shape, but like something that just gives me a little more curves. Yeah, that's just how I feel about it. But again, you can think differently. I'm not no professional at all. Definitely learning, as you guys probably are, but that's just one thing that I noticed about myself. Number 4 is invest in good undergarments. I mean, yes, it's good to have good undergarments. I'm not saying go out and buy no 𝙻𝙸𝚃𝚾 Fenty, but obviously having good undergarments makes you feel good, I feel like, about yourself, and like that's just a hygienic sort of thing. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. Number five is don't save outfits. Once I read that, I was like, huh, I don't know about that one. But like really thinking about it, I feel like I've held myself back so many times because I didn't want to wear a certain outfit just because it didn't go with the type of vibe that everyone else was going for, or I felt like I was going to stick out like a sore thumb, or maybe I just didn't have the confidence for it. But that has, yeah, don't save an outfit. Just because it's just like, if you want to wear something, then definitely wear it. And that's what I'm learning more about myself this year, is if I want to do something, then do it. If I want to wear a freaking dress in the middle of winter, I will wear it because I want to wear it, you know? That I feel like don't save an outfit, or saving an outfit definitely holds me back in a sort of way, because it doesn't really express who I am or how I really feel in that moment, just because fashion is like art for yourself. You're like expressing who you are with clothes in a way. So that is definitely one thing to keep in mind. I agree with number 5, like don't save an outfit. If you want to wear it, wear it. If you think you're gonna stand out, because that's what makes you different. Number 7 is your LBD is your best friend. For those that don't know what LBD is, it means little black dress. And I mean, who doesn't have a little black dress in their closet? I have about like 4 or 5 of them that are definitely my go-tos. It's not like a go-to item that, say, every day if I don't have something to wear, I'm gonna put on a little black dress. No, but like if I have a function or event to go to and I don't know what to wear, I feel like a little black dress, you can never go wrong, just because black is just so flattering. It makes you look a little skinnier, a little tighter, you know what I mean? So I feel like you can never go wrong with a black dress. So if you have one in your closet, definitely hold on to it, because you can definitely dress that up if you want to, or just wear it casual. So you can never go wrong. Never go wrong with that. 8, buy clothes that fit you in store. I agree with this in a way, even though I get caught not buying stuff that fits me in store, just because I buy a lot of jeans that don't fit me. Like, they don't fit me in the waist, and it's definitely hard to find myself a jean that does fit me in the waist. But buying clothes that fit you in store, yes, I guess, just because as soon as you buy it, you can wear it. And that's the whole point about clothes. You don't want to, like, why buy something just to hold on to it, to wear it, like, a year down the road? because obviously fashion changes, like trends change. So I mean, I've done this in the past where I've bought something and I just never wore it, and I go in my closet now and I still have things that have tags on it, but I don't want to wear it just because I don't like it now, you know? So what you buy in a store, make it so you wear it, you want to wear it like the next day. So obviously things that would fit you right away, buy it so you can wear it right away type thing. And I'm not saying just like go and buy anything within a store. Obviously the stuff that you purchase, really think about those things and see if you really want it, and if you just, it's like a must have. If you don't feel that way, then don't purchase it, because 9 times out of 10 you probably won't be wearing it. But if it's something that, like, yes, you need to wear it, you want it, like I've been thinking about this, then definitely go ahead and purchase it, because it'll probably become one of your staple pieces in your closet. Number 9, look after your investment pieces. Yes, definitely yes. If you have investment pieces, you should be taking care of those babies, just because you spent so much money on them that they are an investment. Like, you want them 5-10 years from now to still look like how you purchased it. So definitely take care of it, because that's hard-earned money that you spent on that. So you should be taking care of it, but you don't always have to have investment pieces in your closet to look good. You can look good without without having expensive things. It's just the way you style yourself and like the way you put pieces together. Like, who would really know?
And number 10.
Make occasional splurges. And I would have said like 2 years ago, a year ago, I'm like, why? There's no point in that. I don't have the funds for it. I can't afford none of that. But as of recently, I've just been so for it, just because the mind space that I'm in now, and maybe some of you guys are like that too. Like, I'm such in a mind space where I'm just thinking about myself, and I want good things to happen for myself, and I've been working hard on myself, for myself, and earning the funds that I want. So I'm definitely one to save my money when I can, but I'm also one to say that I know when I worked hard and I can get something for myself. Just because you learn to, I feel like it's just important for that, just because, I'm not saying like go out and buy like the Gucci's, the Pradas, like I'm not saying go out and buy that, but like, because it teaches you how to depend on yourself. You learn that you can buy nice things for yourself. And I'm not saying nice things is all that girls look for in life, but it's nice to have those things, and not to depend on someone for it. Like, shoot, if I can save up my own money and I still have stuff in my savings and I can buy something good for myself, I'm gonna do that every couple months. I do think occasional splurges is good for you, just because it's just self-love. I don't know, I just want to talk more about it, but I don't know how to talk more about it. It just makes me feel good about myself when I know that I can support myself and I can buy myself the things that I like in life. So those are just some things to think about. Those are just 10 basic rules of fashion. Some of these things, obviously, as I explained, I stand for it, but then obviously I don't. So I wonder what you guys think. Like, what's one thing that you can take from here that you're like 100% like, yes, I agree with you, or I don't agree with you, I believe in that other than this. I'm curious to find out, because I'm like, are these really the basic rules of fashion? Like, are they? Like, who came up with these? I'm interested to see what y'all think. I'm so excited. I've been learning so much about fashion as of recently that I'm just super excited for what this year has to offer. And I'm super excited just to grow in this world. I hope you guys like this little chit chat moment. It's nothing big, nothing major. Just wanted to sip on some wine and talk with you guys about fashion, of course, because it's obviously my new obsession. But that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you haven't already, remember to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!